Top Federal Reserve official wants progress on taming U.S. inflation may be stalling. Governor Christopher Waller says he still supports a December interest rate cut, bearing a surprise in the economic data. A top Federal Reserve official has warned the U.S. Central Bank progress on curbing inflation might be stalling, even as he threw his support behind a cut in interest rate later this month. Christopher Waller, a Fed governor who sits on the policy-setting Federal Open Market Committee, on Monday said he backed the central bank lowering rates at its December 17 to 18 meeting. He said still elevated borrowing costs were curbing demand across the world's biggest economy, contributing to easing price pressure. Still, Waller noted that if the data we receive between today and the next meeting surprise in a way that suggests our forecast of slowing inflation and a moderating but still solid economy are wrong, then I will be supportive of holding the policy rate unchanged in December. He added there were some signs that progress toward cooling inflation to the Fed's 2% target might be stalling, as policymakers struggle to curb price growth in the fast service sector. The overall consumer price index rose at an annual rate of 2.6% in October, according to official data. New York Fed President John Williams acknowledged in separate remarks on Monday that it will take some time for the inflation goal to be reached because of uneven progress, but he expressed confidence the central bank will eventually hit its target as housing-related disinflation continued and inflation expectations remain in check. The implied odds of a December rate cut increased to 75% from 66% following the remarks from the two Fed officials. According to CME Group data based on trading in federal funds future, the US dollar also gave up some of its earlier gains on Monday following Waller's remark, leaving the currency up about 0.6% against a basket of 6 peers in afternoon trading in New York. Fed officials will on Friday receive an important update on the state of the labor market with November's payroll report, as well as new inflation data next week covering consumers and producers. Policymakers will also get fresh data on retail sales, a crucial driver of the US economy, on the first day of this month two-day policy meeting. Officials have recently turned more optimistic on the trajectory of the economy, having previously worried that the labor market was heading for a sharp slowdown. They noted in a detailed summary of November's meeting, released last week, that there had been no sign of rapid deterioration across the labor market. The more sanguine outlook, coupled with a renewed concern about persistent price pressure that have kept monthly inflation readings more elevated than expected, has led to widespread support among Fed officials to move gradually as the central bank considers how quickly to return its monetary policy to a neutral setting that neither stimulates or suppresses demand. I feel like an MMA fighter who keeps getting inflation in its chokehold, waiting for it to tap out, yet it keeps slipping out of my grasp at the last minute, Waller said while at a conference in Washington. But let me assure you that submission is inevitable. Inflation isn't getting out of the octagon. While Waller said he expected rate cuts to continue over the next year, he also made clear the pace of those cuts will probably slow over time. Williams said he expected interest rate to move to a neutral level stand over time. The comments from Waller and Williams come in the final week before scheduled communication blackout ahead of the December meeting. A quarter point cut in December would make the third straight gathering at which the Fed has lowered interest rate, having kicked off the process in September with a half-point reduction that would lower the federal funds rate to a new target range of 4.25% to 4.5%.